Next step in analysis is non-object overlay. To do that, all you have to do is click on this red and black icon. Again, while the software is analyzing, do not fiddle with anything on the software. This step will also take some time, hence, please keep your patience. Once the analysis is done, you will observe that the images are marked by red markings. Now you are ready for the next step in your analyzing process.